So when I talk about the applications of AI, yes, we have seen in various domains. AI have reached almost in all the domains. So if I have just listed and I'm going to explain you in detail that what kind of AI has been significantly helped the other domain in doing various wonders. So one such wonder is healthcare. So AI plays a transformative role in healthcare. It enhances both efficiency and effectiveness in various areas. For example, diagnostics. So an algorithm can analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with high accuracy. They also help in early detection of disease like cancer and neurological disorders. The AI system can also process and interpret complex data sets from patient records to identify the patterns and aid in diagnosis. It also gives you personalized treatment. So AI can tailor treatment plans to an individual patients based on their unique generic information, its medical history and lifestyle. So this personalized approach can improve outcomes and reduce side effects. If I talk about drug discoveries and development, yes, AI accelerate the drug discovery process by predicting how different compounds will interact with targets in the body. It also helps in identify a potential drug candidate most quickly and at a lower cost. Predictive analysis. AI can also predict disease outbreaks and patients' admissions rate by analyzing data from various sources like social media, health records, environmental sensors. So this helps in resource allocation and prevent measures. Even now, in healthcare, we also have a robotic surgery. Yes, you heard it right. So AI powered robot assistant surgeons with precisions and control that surpass human capabilities. These systems and can perform complex procedures with minimal inventions, leading to faster recovery timer and fewer complications. Administrative efficiency, yes. AI also streamlines the administrative tasks such as scheduling, billing, managing patient records, reduces the workload of healthcare professionals, allocating them to focus more on patient care. Yes, so various overall AI intelligent into healthcare promises to improve patients' outcomes, increase efficiency, and reduce cost, making healthcare more accessible and effective. So when I talk about finance, yes, AI is revolutionizing the finance industry by enhancing various operations and services. So here if I just list some key roles of AI plays in the finance, fraud detection and prevention. Yes, AI algorithm can analyze vast amount of transaction data in real time to identify unusual patterns and potentially fraudulent activities. Machine learning models can adapt and improve over time, becoming more efficient, effective at detecting new types of fraud. So algorithm in trading. As AI powered system execute trades at high speeds and high accuracy by analyzing market data and predicting market movements. This system can process a vast array of inputs and make a split second decisionary that beyond human capability. Various application you must have seen based on the trading algorithm, and people are actually using it with great efficiency with minimal risk. Even if I talk about risk management, it models assess risk by analyzing historical data and current market conditions. They also help financial institutions predict and migrate risk associated with loans, investments, other financial activities. They also provide you a personalized financial service. So AI chatbots, virtual assistants, answer 24 by 7 customer support, answering your queries and guide customers through various financial products and services. Even if I talk about credit scoring, so it improves the accuracy of credit scoring by evaluating a broader range of data beyond traditional credit histories. So they see the purchase pattern of the candidate, the usage of smartphones allow more inclusive and fairer lending decisions. If I talk about finance, portfolio management, it's also an important part of finance industry. and robo advisors, they uses AI to create and manage investment portfolios for client based on the risk tolerance. So if I talk about the finance and the area of finance, yes, AI had played a significant role in enhancing decision makings, improve efficiency, and provides better customer experience while ensuring security and compliance. When I talk about automotive industries, yes, autonomous vehicle, driver assistance systems, these are and applications. You have seen the Tesla car, one of the greatest applications of AI. It also helped in retail industry. So AI is significantly transforming the retail industry by enhancing various aspects of shopping experience, operations, and customers' engagements. Example, personalized shopping experience. Now everyone wanted their personal assistance for shopping, right? So it AI analyze customer data to provide personalized product recommendations. These include tailoring product suggestions based on their browser history, purchase behavior, and preferences, leading to increased customer satisfaction and sales. If you have seen, so whenever you are browsing some kind of product, even though if it is a ticket booking, once you have been just checking a ticket and after some time you must have seen or must have experienced that number of advertisements based on your browsing history, personalized data has been recommended to you. So all these are the magic of AI in this area. Even if I talk about inventory management, it optimizes inventory management by predicting demand and ensuring the right products are available at the right time. So machine learning models can forecast trends and seasonality, reducing stock outs and overstock situations. Customer service, this is one of the major role or major impact which has been seen nowadays because of AI. Customer service, the personalized chatbots and virtual assistants offer 24 by 7 customer support. It handles lots of inquiries, processing orders, and providing information on any products and service. So this improves customer service, efficiency, and satisfaction. We talk about price optimization. AI algorithm analyze market trends, competitors' pricing, and customer demand on dynamically adjust prices. Even if I talk about supply chain optimization, AI improves supply chain optimization by predicting demand, optimizing routes, and managing logistics. This leads to more efficient delivery process and reduce operational cost. Yes, if I talk about the retail, it may go on like it has, and retail industry leads to improved operational efficiency, enhanced customer experience, and increased profitability by leveraging data driven insights and automation. I talk about entertainment. Yes, AI is increasingly playing a pivot role in entertainment industry, enhancing content creation, distribution, and user engagement. If I talk about content recommendations, yes, it analyzes user behavior preferences and view history to provide personalized content on platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube. So this helps the user engage by suggesting movies, music, shows, and other media tailored to their task. Content creation, yes, AI assists in generating content such as music, art, and script. So AI tools are there in various screenplays, writing articles. Everywhere you can see AI played an important role. Even if I talk about visual effects, VFX, that also helped by AI. Audience engagement and marketing, of course, AI to understand the audience preferences, trends, helping entertainment companies tailoring their marketing strategies, personalized ads, target promotions, optimized content distribution, increase audience engagement and retention. The list must going on continuously. It also helped various retail industries, entertainment industries. AI had significantly shown its impact on various areas. When I talk about other role, that is education, yes, it is very important. It's a revolutionary education by enhancing learning experiences, personalizing education, and improving administrative efficiency. When I talk about personalized learning, AI systems, it tailored education content into individual students' needs, learning styles, and paces. It also analyzes students' performance data to adjust lessons, provide customized exercise, and recommend resources. Even it has an intelligent tutoring system. So AI powered tutoring system offer one-to-one instructions by providing personal feedback and guidances. It also helps in complex solver problem solving and prepare for exams. We also have automated grading and assessments, virtual classrooms and learning environments, administrative efficiency and predictive analysis. We also have language translations and accessibility. So 24 by 7 learning support also it has. So overall AI is intelligent integration into education leads to more personalized, efficient and effective learning experiencing benefits both students and educators. So the list is going on and on. As I can say, the AI have just entered in all the domains and making wonders. When I talk about wonders, there comes challenges also. So what kind of challenges we are expecting? So ethical consideration like bias in algorithm, job displacement. Because see, when I talk about bias in algorithm, AI is an overview ocean where we have various subsets. AI is nothing but it enables the machine to think like an human, act like that. But how it is possible? So it is possible by using some statistical tools, and that the machine learning comes into a picture. When I talk about machine learning, obviously it requires some statistical tools which will make the algorithm make the things proper by using algorithms mathematical with the help of data which they are getting and putting the data into algorithms. But sometimes there are biased in algorithms, there is some ethical issues are there, some challenges are there, and job displacement, privacy concerns. When I talk about technical challenges, data quality and quantity. Because technical challenges, when you want a proper AI outcome, efficiency, then you need to feed your data, which should be a very quality data and quantity data. Otherwise, when I talk about quality, there is an errors in data, there is an redundant in data or some missing data. So how you are going to feed that data? Quantity, because you are going to train the machine with lots of data. So both quality and quantity plays a very important role. If quality and quantity can be compromised, then there will be a technical challenges, interpretability of AI models and scalability. Societal impact, economic inequality, loss of jobs, societal disruptions. These are some of the issues, major disadvantage I can say, because most of the people are continuously depend on AI. So there will be an impact on societal issues. They are just the thinking capability of the human has been lost because of the AI, because we want all our work to be done by the machines. There will be some challenges. We should know where to use AI or how to use AI in proper way so that we can get an outcome. So that's all about the basics of AI. In next video, you will be learning about the basics of machine learning and data science. Because when I talk about AI, artificial intelligence is a whole, but we have various subsets. So one of the subset is machine learning, where you will be learning about how we are going to deal with the data so that you will be getting a proper outcome or predictions. Then we will be learning about data science where we actually work with the data, quantity of data, amount of data. So this that's all about the AI introduction, and in next video we will be learning about the basics of machine learning and data science. Thank you. So yes, future directions are there. So as I said, continued advancement, more sophisticated AI algorithms and models are required, which we'll be learning in machine learning. Ethical frameworks, where you're going to develop an ethical guidelines and regulations for AI deployment so that we can balance the challenges. Human AI collaboration, emphasizing the role of AI as a tool to augment human capabilities rather than replacing the human completely. And research areas like quantum AI, neuro-symbolic AI, expandable AI, these are our future uh, areas of research where we will be seeing how AI is doing wonder. Thank you.